Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some fashion designers trivia. Which designer is known for the new look? A. Christian Dior, or B. Balenciaga, or C. Chanel, or D. Versace? The correct answer is A. Christian Dior. Who founded the luxury brand Gucci? A. Karl Lagerfeld, or B. Gucci, or C. Coco Chanel, or D. Tom Ford? The correct answer is B. Gucci. Which designer is famous for the little black dress? Christian Dior, or B. Yves Saint Laurent, or C. Coco Chanel, or D. Diane von Furstenberg? The correct answer is C. Coco Chanel. Who is recognized for modern streetwear? A. Jeff Staple, or B. Virgil Abloh, or C. Pharrell Williams, or D. Rihanna? The correct answer is B. Virgil Abloh. Which fashion icon created Fendi? A. Karl Lagerfeld, or B. Coco Chanel, or C. Donatella Versace, or D. Adele Casagrande? The correct answer is D. Adele Casagrande. Who designed the iconic wrap dress? A. Diane von Furstenberg, or B. Coco Chanel, or C. Yves Saint Laurent, or D. Versace? The correct answer is A. Diane von Furstenberg. Which designer introduced punk fashion in 1970s? A. Vivienne Westwood, or B. Giorgio Armani, or C. Chanel, or D. Jean Paul Gaultier? The correct answer is A. Vivienne Westwood. Who is the founder of the brand Louis Vuitton? A. Karl Lagerfeld, or B. Coco Chanel, or C. Christian Dior, or D. Louis Vuitton? The correct answer is D. Louis Vuitton. Which designer is known for corsetry? A. Madame Grès, or B. Coco Chanel, or C. Christian Dior, or D. Versace? The correct answer is A. Madame Grès. Who popularized the concept of ready-to-wear? A. Coco Chanel, or B. Yves Saint Laurent, or C. Giorgio Armani, or D. Christian Dior? The correct answer is B. Yves Saint Laurent. Who directed creative for Dior in 2016? A. Karl Lagerfeld, or B. John Galliano, or C. Maria Grazia Chiuri, or D. Raf Simons? The correct answer is C. Maria Grazia Chiuri. Which designer is known for flamboyant prints? A. Versace, or B. Burberry, or C. Calvin Klein, or Etro? The correct answer is D. Etro. Who is the mastermind behind Versace? Gianni Versace, or B. Karl Lagerfeld, or C. Donatella Versace, or D. Coco Chanel? The correct answer is A. Gianni Versace. Which designer is famous for the Burkin bag? A. Gucci, or B. Prada, or C. Hermes, or D. Chanel? The correct answer is C. Hermes. Who created the boho style? A. Marc Jacobs, or B. Kate Moss, or C. Mario Schwab, or D. Alexander McQueen? The correct answer is C. Mario Schwab. Which designer introduced haute couture to America? A. Carolina Herrera, or B. Charles James, or C. Ralph Lauren, or D. Elsa Schiaparelli? The correct answer is B. Charles James. Who designed costumes for the movie The Great Gatsby? A. Audrey Hepburn, or B. Coco Chanel, or C. Edith Head, or D. Catherine Martin? The correct answer is D. Catherine Martin. Which fashion figure is known for the power suit? A. Yves Saint Laurent, or B. Karl Lagerfeld, or C. Azzedine Alaïa, or D. Giorgio Armani? The correct answer is C. Azzedine Alaïa. Who is effective in sustainable fashion? A. Calvin Klein, or B. Gucci, or C. Stella McCartney, or D. Ralph Lauren? The correct answer is C. Stella McCartney. Which designer is celebrated for red carpet gowns? A. Elie Saab, or B. Balmain, or C. Dior, or D. Versace? The correct answer is A. Elie Saab. Who created the brand Balenciaga? A. Cristobal Balenciaga, or B. Karl Lagerfeld, or C. Yves Saint Laurent, or D. Coco Chanel? The correct answer is A. Cristobal Balenciaga. Which designer is known for denim innovations? A. Diesel, or B. G-Star Raw, or C. Wrangler, or D. Levi's? The correct answer is B. G-Star Raw. Who is famous for punk-inspired fashion? A. Giorgio Armani, or B. Vivienne Westwood, or C. Jean-Paul Gaultier, or D. Coco Chanel? The correct answer is C. Jean-Paul Gaultier. Which designer co-founded the brand Proenza Schouler? A. Jack McCullough, or B. Donna Karan, or C. Marc Jacobs, or D. Alexander Wang? The correct answer is A. Jack McCullough. Who established the fashion house Givenchy? A. Yves Saint Laurent, or B. Hubert de Givenchy, or C. Christian Dior, or D. Cristobal Balenciaga? The correct answer is B. Hubert de Givenchy. Which designer is associated with minimalist aesthetics? A. Versace, or B. Coco Chanel, or C. Jill Sander, or D. Calvin Klein? The correct answer is C. Jill Sander. Who designed costumes for Moulin Rouge? A. John Galliano, or B. Catherine Martin, or C. Baz Luhrmann, or D. Tim Burton? The correct answer is C. Baz Luhrmann. Which designer launched the brand Marc Jacobs? A. Calvin Klein, or B. Ralph Lauren, or C. Michael Kors, or D. Marc Jacobs? The correct answer is D. Marc Jacobs. Who is known for his work with mannequins? A. Coco Chanel, or B. Manfred Thierry Mugler, or C. Victor and Rolf, or D. Jean-Paul Gaultier? The correct answer is B. Manfred Thierry Mugler. Which designer is associated with avant-garde fashion? A. C. Miyake, or B. Donna Karan, or C. Roy Alexander McQueen? The correct answer is A. Issey Miyake. Who sparked the green fashion movement? A. Ralph Lauren, or B. Vivienne Westwood, or C. Catherine Hamnett, or D. Coco Chanel? The correct answer is C. Catherine Hamnett. Which designer is famous for tailored suits? A. Gucci, or B. Ralph Lauren, or C. Tom Ford, or D. Calvin Klein? The correct answer is C. Tom Ford. Who pioneered the use of unisex clothing? A. Giorgio Armani, or B. Calvin Klein, or C. Yves Saint Laurent, or D. Junya Watanabe? The correct answer is D. Junya Watanabe. Which designer started with an online shop? A. Stella McCartney, or B. Kevin Klein, or C. Marc Jacobs, or D. Jeremy Scott? The correct answer is D. Jeremy Scott. Who is credited with introducing casual wear? A. Rudy Gernreich, or B. Calvin Klein, or C. Coco Chanel, or D. Christian Dior? The correct answer is A. Rudy Gernreich. Which designer created the kimono-inspired dress? A. Dolce & Gabbana, or B. Issey Miyake, or C. Yohji Yamamoto, or D. Rei Kawakubo? The correct answer is C. Yohji Yamamoto. Who is known for gender-fluid fashion lines? A. Harris Reed, or B. Coco Chanel, or C. Ralph Lauren, or D. Giambattista Valli? The correct answer is A. Harris Reed. Which designer is recognized for modern romantic styles? A. Ralph Lauren, or B. Vera Wang, or C. Reem Acra, or D. Christian Dior? The correct answer is C. Reem Acra. Which fashion icon's initials are LVMH? A. Giorgio Armani, or B. Louis Vuitton, or C. Bernard Arnault, or D. Marc Jacobs? The correct answer is C. Bernard Arnault. Who revived the brand Chanel in the 1980s? A. Karl Lagerfeld, or B. Miuccia Prada, or C. Diane von Furstenberg, or D. Giorgio Armani? The correct answer is A. Karl Lagerfeld. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.